pink one's better.
So, did you get that?
Yeah.
So the fake law of cartoons says that when you punch somebody, gravity doesn't exist anymore, and they go flying and they go halfway to the moon and then they come back
I'm
down.
gonna like go home today because
What?
true.
I can't take that.
In this cartoon, this is the way it works.
No, it tastes
Yeah.
like
That's what your fake law
My
is.
toothpaste.
old people in sweat.
Don't say that. Fucking gross.
Like that's what I think when I eat black licorice.
That would be,
Old people.
Oh,
right?
love that.
But that
It's like
won't
mustard.
happen.
Like
Yeah.
So-
Will says way more than
What
this.
was underneath the highway?
Pretty much
Strong
used
and
the
musty.
Is
It's
that
not
right?
like the milk's in the trash
So it's either there's nothing
It's
underneath
like
the
good and
highway, or
Good.
all of that dirt that was underneath the highway got super
Yeah,
compacted
I know what you're talking about.
and made a big giant.
Yeah, it's good and plenty. My grandpa eats these.
So you can go in there.
What is it called?
Good and plenty.
I would go with the
I like my
compacted.
connects.
And then you can talk about atoms and molecules
Oh,
and
yeah, those are
density
good.
and that kind of thing.
So I said, in part to the stereotype,
I would
because
Does anyone want
friction's
to
gone,
go?
so it can leave it in the gravity, doesn't affect it.
Is there no friction or is there like super friction?
Well, it's super friction.
Are you going to the store?
Yes.
Okay.
I just got hold of my computer. Wow.
What law are they following?
Oh, two. Three
So
times.
you got a mouse kicking a cat, and the cat goes flying. What's that?
Hey, do you want me to fix your bun?
Yeah.
It's chili or chicken with some crackers and meat. Meat and cheese.
Yeah.
The mouse did.
It's like
Freeze down.
Yesterday.
That's because you didn't make them round on the bottom.
So in this cartoon, you can't freeze that before. So what's the cartoon law?
He's like not round, guys. Was lazy than
Wouldn't it be conservation?
Hey, it's like a diamond.
He's a diamond.
I don't know if I'm gonna
I also
find.
need to draw like
Focus in the back.
Do you got,
Yeah.
that's all okay.
Be like, it's not realistic because nobody can really shoot lasers out of their eyes.
What would happen if you did?
Isn't that conservation,
Your
You
eyes
can't
would
because
melt.
there is no did.
right?
Yeah,
You can't.
because
Because you can't, like, lasers are possible.
lasers
I wanna know how all these black.
But how much energy does it take? And how much energy do you have inside your body from the food that you ate yesterday?
Yeah, I do too.
And I looked around the wall and I was
It's conservation for sure.
Like,
And,
what kind of relaxers
it'd be
do they
like-
use?
I don't really special relaxers for like relaxers.
You're on the right track, you're just not saying it all.
Yeah.
4 hours ago, where's it at?
I don't know, you just gotta build up all the.
That's not a rubber band.
Look at this. That is nice.
I was gonna say, you're gonna get that so tangled up with that's a rubber band.
You just gotta know how much energy you have inside you to make the laser.
Yeah,
Basically, what's coming out of it.
right. So if you can figure out how much energy it takes to make a laser shoot out, and you can figure out how much energy a
No,
normal
4
person
hours
has
ago.
in a day, then you can say, oh, they're about the same, or no, they're not.
Maybe if
I
I
feel like
just
they're
keep,
not.
I feel like that too, but I have no idea.
maybe
For
if
sure.
I just like keep doing this, it'll happen faster.
Oh, I got it, finally.
They don't have school today.
I thought you were talking to me.
I was.
They
What is that?
That's a dog. Laying on the couch on her blanket.
What kind of dog is that?
Yeah, I know, right?
She's half lab and a quarter fast.
Okay, so not really good, you can't have.
Yeah, because then you could
And a
tell.
quarter beagle, which is the white underbelly and the white feet.
That's
White
cute.
nose, she's white under her chin, down
But
the
they don't
chest.
Pretty much,
get
you
I
have to
wanted
have
a
enough
chocolate
energy
She looks a lot like that
inside
dog that you had
to
there.
make
That's why
lasers if
I had
you
Maris in
want
that
lasers.
picture.
is what-
I want to see what kind of dog
It's
I want.
conservation.
So
That's all I
buy
got.
someone that your dog can have babies with, and then I want one.
Like it's, we should give it this, it's not that hard.
No, you can't do that.
There it is.
Did you get it fixed? Why? Look.
She was spotting and getting blood all over the house, so I got, seen the little spot. Baby pins.
Yeah, my
I got a pack of them,
uncle
there
had.
were 3 packs for like $2, and I cut a hole where it came.
Hey, just wait. See
Made
that?
her wear those.
The body temperature.
It works great. Yeah, they're really cute.
Or like one.
They can be like super irritating. Biting birds though.
I think I still do.
So just kind of sit down.
I gotta be at the car park
fine.
You're at 8:30 though.
Is
Oh.
body temperature? No, it's not these. It's like you can't get that cold. Maybe this mix.
True. I don't have to do anything.
You know what dog I'm talking
I
about?
don't have to
Like
be
those
home on
really
time. I
giant.
don't have to like be home at a decent
It's just not possible.
You
I
guys
don't know. They're like.
If,
They're
I
like
put
big
not
and
realistic for the
Yeah.
thing.
Those look like a
I always
Yeah, I feel
forget
like not
that.
realistic because that's.
Beethoven's. I like Beethoven's.
This isn't real. Okay,
I don't know what
no,
they're called.
I know, but some of
I
them,
got that.
like, there is no log right now.
But what's it called? Like, what's the actual dog called? I'll just look up Beethoven.
Yeah, there you go. Look up Beethoven and dog, and you'll get it.
How do you spell Beethoven? Well, that's spelled wrong, but I'm gonna look it up. Who?
Yeah.
Yeah, those. Look at how cute they are. But no, there's like a Russian dog, and it's like huge, and it's big and fluffy.
I don't be on my money back in time.
Unless we go in
I'm pretty sure it's like a Russian
Doesn't sound quite right.
This.
Who went flying and stuff?
What is it?
Or like
Chinese something.
The lot of.
Yeah, but Pam came and picked up like I'll buy it.
Burger. Yes. Yes, I found a dog.
That's horrible.
Oh, Germany.
It wasn't that cold. The girl messed around.
Saint Bernard and a Pyrenean. Those. Let me look those up. I've had a Newfoundland. Like one of those dogs. A Newfoundland.
Isn't mine that new car?
They're like.
Wow.
Your radio don't work.
Who said dry?
And then I'm like,
Someone said dry.
I can't go without radio.
Damn it, I have like a little speaker thing that I carry around in case my lot of events. It's new too, so.
dog.
That's
It's
your body.
dog. I want the dog.
When
I
I get
don't
my
care about the Yeah, I had one of those except they had a short hair. They're huge. They look
Yeah.
really big.
Well, you're fine.
She's let me know.
Oh, wait a second, out at Heat? I don't know, yeah, but I was in second grade. When I got mad, and I seen it, and I was like, yeah, it's like just got that little yellow, like the, yeah.
I see that part like in front of the store, and I was like, oh, look at this guy.
If I go to your made up,
You know, cool, it was black or something.
It's,
Like yellow.
the tree is bigger than she is, so it's not possible.
I love dogs. We used to have like 7 of them.
me too. I had a dog once.
too.
I had a guy
Yeah.
who was walking off a
I
buffalo,
spent
and he
lots of
took
time
my
changing.
dog.
I had leggings on.
That was because your dad didn't like your dog.
No, he didn't like Jay's dog because he's a little turd.
Holy huge.
Yeah, that's what I want. Like, look at these. That's a puppy.
I want a car.
They can
They're
eat your head
Russian
in
dogs.
one bite.
They're Russian dogs and they're adorable. Like, look how big this is.
Just adorable.
Look at it.
What is it?
I know, I want it.
Aren't they like the, I don't know what kind of dogs, I see them on iPhone.
What?
I know, they're
They're
huge.
like bears, basically.
Oh, Russian Caucasian mountain dog bear.
I don't know, the law that.
Oh my god, look how big it is. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
I wouldn't even need my
It's
dang
so
teddy
cool.
bear anymore.
Just you put up with dogs.
Like, they don't get like this big. No, it is. Its tongue is like as big as your face.
He typed in the most good Demi have.
Yeah.
His name is Max. Holy crap, Lion Kindle.
Look at it, he's so cute.
Like a Saint Bernard. Nice.
That's like way
Is it really nice?
Okay.
Make sure that I can put it up there somehow.
Hey, is it that way?
That's her.
Something.
I almost grabbed you.
Yeah, I
Put the link in there, Bob.
Don't you guys that thing I can plug in my computer?
Someone.
Or can I
This is
figure
the
out-
dog we had.
Thumb drive?
I got rid of it because we looked
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, you can get the cord.
The cord.
Oh, that is the ugliest thing. Oh, look, it looks like bone.
Yeah.
It's ugly.
Why wouldn't it? No other kind of coffee.
But like, you gotta have a finger in it.
Great.
My mom,
I'm just looking at it.
That's my one.
Great.
Yeah, and then like, this guy who had like blowing and my dad, it was and then like, he was playing with the dog, and then
Oh, I mean,
like some milk, like my mom saw him like getting
So now I'm gonna
our dog.
It's,
They would go into the cinema and then he'd grow up. Oh, so I thought you said you were just on it. You just stole my dog.
Don't remember.
Look at those, they're like mini of what I
deleted them.
Oh,
Look at him.
my grandma won't let me get any of these dogs because they're ear big.
Does Nelson?
I don't like those.
I got these.
White dog. It's so cute though, like look at his blue eyes. I wanna rescue it like what's the difference between a Doberman and a Row? They're like better.
I'll do it back to back.
What are those?
Oh my god.
I'm like going through these.
That is like
Oh my god, Canada Escoville
yeah,
dog.
pumped, and then I was like, oh.
I had 5 because I don't know.
What are the giant watermelons?
Greenland dog.
I'm like,
Oh my god, I
Then
want a
when you go to the
Greenland.
store, then or what?
No, I'm very yes.
American Akita. What is an Akita?
Half of these I thought we went through them for
Bernice.
these. Oh my god, I don't remember this.
Ooh, no problem. Newfoundland. Do you want to see what kind of dog I have?
Taffy.
I had one of these dogs, except she had less hair than this.
Ew, look at them mop dog. I think those are like the ugliest things.
Oh, whoa. Wait, those are like their actual hair?
Yeah.
It grows like that, or did they just give them dreads?
And then they just kind of like piles.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's jumping. Look at that.
I got all of them.
Oh my god. It's like
What's the dog I used to have?
It's so cute.
But he was black,
So
not orange.
ugly. Like it looks so disgusting and like what?
Using your strength and
My candy fell out of my box.
Look at this.
That's what it is.
Hey, you know what you should get? A mop dog.
I don't
Yeah,
remember taking that.
Why? Look at how they jump. They're cute when they jump.
Yeah,
Balls of
you know how
That
scared
one,
they
I was
get?
like, oh my god.
If I'm gonna feed a dog and clean up after a dog,
What is that?
it wouldn't be
I
red
don't
bill.
hands
I need
out.
something that'll go hunting with.
Oh, they're Hungarian
Last
dogs.
year.
Can you imagine trying to get cockleburs out of one of those after?
I would just shoot it.
I would shave it.
What is a commodore dog?
You
Oh,
should- okay, the
they're
very
called
first time my dad
commodores.
shaved their dog during the summertime.
Dreadlock dog.
Oh dear God.
I got
Not if you
some
just take him to the vet. Like it was so uneven. I was like, I feel so bad for that
No,
dog.
it's the same. I'm trying to get out of this dog and it just won't let me.
Brittany,
Come up to Landon.
I got that back, Landon. Like last year. Like my pictures all uploaded back.
When did I get that hair?
You have that dog. Cruella
Where?
de
You
Vil.
saw that wig.
From.
Cruella de Vil had this dog. Mexican hairless dog.
Yeah, like,
Oh, look, Tiff, it's like a
Now
cat.
you're taking
A
that.
dog.
No, that's like Cam's cat or dog.
Like I got,
No, I meant
I
like
got all of her pictures
Mine
back.
hairless
cat.
cat. Yeah. That's a naked cat, not like a sphinx that I'm gonna get. I just either pink or like that. I think I'm gonna pink one. My friend has a baby.
That is the ugliest. Oh. Hey, Ronnie, this is what your dog's gonna look like in like 5 years.
Let me see it.
Like her really,
That
really
looks like
old,
Cam's dog.
like her really old chihuahua that she has.
Which one was that?
It's like 80 years old. Blue hairless chihuahua.
And go back.
Oh no, they're actually cute.
Like the first time I walked in, he's like,
No, and he's just standing there taking pictures.
Yeah, I got that. The first time.
I still have that.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Like
like,
in.
That's one girl I know, she has one of those dogs.
Yeah, when I saw this, I was
So
like,
now it's like,
okay.
and it always sticks its out like that, like all the time.
Yeah,
It's probably just like over on the side.
Are you talking about Ronnie's dog? The demon. I can't think of its name right now, but it like barks at you all the time.
I remember that. Oh my God.
Ronnie has a dog that does that.
Yeah.
I was
She
waiting
lets
for
it
it.
wrap it.
We made
So- Like seriously, that's its tongue. Like ask Ronnie, its tongue.
That's
It
just
just
looks
always
sad.
hangs out.
Weird.
Teacup chihuahuas? Oh my god.
I want a teacup pig.
Do that
Pig?
was really bad.
Well, look it up.
It's really cute. Like the original one.
They're not based on mini cows.
That was.
Oh, but how
oh,
big
really?
does it get?
Good girl.
Nobody does.
Why would you want one?
Those aren't really big.
Oh, this is.
It's like a mini horse.
Teacup.
Small.
I deleted it. I don't know if
you're like a midget and then you want them at farm, you could have,
They get big.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, that's a baby.
Are those
These
animals
are like the big
expensive?
ones. Don't. They get big.
If you're a rich millionaire, you could have your own.
Yeah, for pigs, but it's.
McDonald's.
I recovered all
It's like a
of
little
them.
baby dog.
There.
I do.
No, that's
Why? I know, but like it's in their house. Oh my god.
And I screenshotted you guys.
Okay, we're done with pigs. Me, I guess.
It's so cute though. You can like,
Because that's really, because I'm like, why do I have this?
Oh yeah.
I've done like,
We were-
my
I'm
mom
trying to
was
be
like,
proud of
that'd be
it.
so gross. It's like you
I have a
have a
bunch of
pig
them.
in your house. I'm like, yeah, but like clean.
What?
That weekend was way too.
Aren't they cute?
Way
I
too
feel
much
like
for
they're cute
kids.
as a baby, but like once
Well,
they're
that's
like
the
a
cover
big,
of her dress.
no,
You're gross.
But look at this lady.
February or whatever.
She has albinos and those. Like, look at them. See, it's still cute and that's big.
Oh my god.
Like their nose is so
She gave me more reasons.
Like look at this. He's so cute. Hey, Marla.
If you think about it though, if you do it really fast,
Look at him.
I'm gonna make a overview.
Have you ever seen that video? Yeah. Hey, you guys want to know what I want?
Still down there.
Oh boy.
A skunk? Yeah, they're cute. What if it sprays? No, you could. When you go get them, like as a pet skunk, they have the sack in them, so they can't spray you.
Still would want one.
I want one. They're cute. Look at them. Yeah, not nice. And they're so nice and polite. They're probably pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can move. Pet fox.
Yeah, you do.
Look
Okay.
at it. It's soft.
What?
Oh my god.
What is that? That is adorable. Slobby. Oh my god. This is so fun. Oh my god, sugar glider. Delete that one. Sugar glider. Look at it, but like,
This is a great one.
if you clean them, this is like fair. If you clean their cages and stuff regularly, then it's good.
Everybody did good.
I'm so happy I recovered it.
There you go, lad. That's a
Look
good
at
one.
that.
I feel like I want like a pet. She was like, maybe like once it got bigger.
I love those. I'm so happy I got the old one. I got that one back. I couldn't find it.
Pet monkey, that's what I really want. It was like,
Ask Kelsey Reaver how that goes.
no, she's gross.
She's like, has had like 4. I like it.
I could never hunt this.
I have to these items to delete.
I could. I couldn't do spiders. Nope. What do you guys get up? Unlock once it's there.
I just like don't look at the old.
I want a blue claw.
And then go get them again.
But I'm gonna get them different. I'm probably gonna get them. Same thing though. Blue claw. Look at that.
I want to get my guns, but I have to clean chops on like Sunday.
But these are smart.
Mine were supposed to talk too, but they didn't.
Oh, well, these don't talk. Well, I guess the lady, there's a lady that owns a blue claw.
Yeah, make it like
Get another one.
I recovered all of those. So when I was going to get Jacob's on them, like Jacob's on them, he was like,
They get huge. What does? Blue macaws. Oh, look, a baby blue macaw.
I'm just funny. Like, I recovered every single picture.
I like the
You.
I just can't have the words anymore over that.
Get a.
Not like one. Oh my god.
My sister's always big.
Keep going.
Like when I was trying to.
You know, that's when I had my ears.
Everywhere,
So
so she got really mad.
Yeah, look how expensive it is.
That was fun. Pet chicken, really? I want a pet chicken. Well, that's like a
Right
ghost.
there.
She gave me.
Oh my gosh, my grandma has a dog. It's like so cute, but it like chews on everything. I like chewed my mom's.
Domestic dog.
I had to look up
Domestic dog.
It's
Oh my god. What is that? What is this? Like seriously, what?
It's an animal, that's what it is.
But it looks like a cheetah
Are
lemur.
those movie players?
Like a cheetah lemur.
Megan must be
Do you want to see a cheetah lemur?
What the age? Cassie, what the age?
I'm gonna look up dog and see what happens. Biggest dog in the world.
Wait, is that?
A selfie stick.
Oh my god, that is so photoshopped.
I wanna say 40.
Have you birthday time?
I want one. I want a ball of them. What is the meanest dog in the
It's
world?
like 36, 40 something.
I remember it together.
Make up a
I can't afford those. Yeah, but I didn't go with you guys.
I don't know.
It was you and Cassie on the website.
Okay.
How much money you got?
Band doggy. American band doggy.
Bulldog.
Bull terrier. I hate those
My
dogs.
dad,
I
my dad
despise.
is gonna breed those country bulldogs.
I despise.
And things are so
Do that?
expensive, so dumb. They go for
What is
$25
that?
and up.
What?
Yeah, I was probably double.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at this body shape. This bothers me. Okay.
Big dog.
That was the one time I didn't go.
It was at his birthday. It was this night.
I know. I remember.
These look like bulldogs except they're not. What is that? No, look at him, Bernard.
I remember that picture. I like these pictures.
American Bulldog, Great Dane. Fissure Harold de Pasta de Conroe.
You know her.
What's her name?
Anita Canoe. Okay.
Samantha.
A boxer's number 10. Wolf hybrid.
No.
She.
Okay.
This night I walked Jacob inside because he's so drunk. And then she's like, "Ooh, Jacob, get some." And then she like moved him off the couch and laid him down on top of me. And then went.
I remember that. There's a big old field.
Who are you talking about?
Jacob's brother's girlfriend. People are so confused.
Olivia and Daniel were like.
Yeah, but I heard that night, but like, who? Who? But, like, I heard about it.
He was drunk.
Christian Frederick's freaking engaged to what's her face. I think that's so ridiculous. Okay, Nikki, a wolf hybrid. No, it's not gonna be evil. It's a wolf. Oh, a chow chow. Okay, I hate that dog.
At some point today, we are gonna get
User
interrupted
number.
by sixth graders.
Okay. Why?
They are working on a physics type assignment, and
Pibble is
I
number
don't think
2.
I can help.
we're not quite sure they get it. They're supposed to come over and explain it to you. So, what I need you to do now, since we're at that time, when you're supposed to be done,
I'm done.
I need you to stop what you're doing. I need you to go to the net and figure out Newton's 3 laws.
I
have them
know
written
I
down.
have them.
I think you know them already. You're supposed to know them because you got out of 9th grade. And they're in the 9th grade curriculum. They're in every 9th grade book. But I want you to go familiarize yourself with them. And we need to have a little popcorn quiz on Newton's laws. So I'm gonna point and ask a question and you're gonna answer.
I don't know. I can't do this.
You have like 2 minutes to make sure you know.
Let's do it. I got
This is not fair.
the new career.
You're supposed to look up. It's just like,
They're on the
Facebook?
It's pictures, because of my phone, you know how I broke it? I put my SD card, we're covered over 3,000 pictures, and then I deleted like 2,000 and some, now I'm down to like 1,500, and now it's so funny how many years over.
You go looking at pictures from a couple years ago?
Yeah, literally.
That's why I delete all of them and hide myself. Maybe you'll come bring it to
It's
you.
kind of crazy. I'll look it up.
Someday you'll look back in when she had a picture of that, a picture of that.
Well, like, I think that I have, oh my god, it still hasn't gotten here, and it's been 4 hours. Okay. No, like, I just want it to be in winter. So I know where it's at.
Your 2 minutes is going.
Okay, we're going.
Good
Motion.
boss. They may also have a couple of questions on speed and force and acceleration, but we'll worry about that in a minute.
Mass acceleration.
F equals MA.
Yeah, look at this. I have an app that, like, saves all my pictures.
Yeah, mine too. It's weird to go back and look at all those.
Like 1,000 of them.
What's it mean by every action
What is that?
equal opposite reaction?
That's what we're gonna talk about.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, ask me a question.
That's funny.
Who's first?
What's it mean by for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction?
Everything has to be balanced and equal.
So,
That's only 3 months ago, and it feels like it's
I didn't
been
answer you,
forever.
but okay.
That was me and Nikki.
no, that was it.
We said it.
Do it again.
What?
Do it again.
What's going
Did
wrong?
you see me push? What did her hand do when I pushed? Her hand went backwards.
Oh!
Equal and opposite.
I thought you were giving my high five
Okay?
to
No,
You want
no, meet me. Don't let me push it.
I can't do that. Oh my god.
I'm pushing, she's pushing.
I can't do
Equal and
that.
opposite, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm pushing that way, she's pushing the exact
I
opposite
know,
way.
right there, on this side.
Okay, 1 second. One more time. What happens if I stop
can't.
pushing exactly that way and I go this way?
Okay, you're gonna
What
break
happened?
my arm.
When I push this way a little bit, it moved her arm. So the push caused the movement, equal and opposite. If I push harder, does it cause a different movement? If I push not as hard, does it cause a different movement? I could do the same thing with my finger and the remote. And I can push harder and I get a different reaction. Equal and opposite. And this one has to be equal, right? So what happens if you get a, I do this with my freshmen every year. I either get the little scooters from downstairs or I bring in skateboards. And you put a big kid and a little kid.
You drag around the whole
And you have them push on each other. What
with a
happens?
bunch of people.
You're gonna like,
Which one goes farther? The little kid goes farther
yeah.
because,
Less math.
there you go. That's F equals ma, right?
Yeah.
That's the second one.
Mass acceleration.
So if you apply a huge force to the little kid, they go a huge distance. You apply a huge force to the big
They
kids,
go a little bit.
they go less because they're bigger. So same force, different mass, different acceleration. What's Newton's first law?
More motion and a little inertia.
Act upon a something force.
Outside force.
And
Okay, there you go. It's also called the law of
Motion.
inertia.
Or inertia.
And inertia is an object's,
Potential.
What? Inertia is, oh, I got it. It's right, it was right there.
inertia is an object's,
Motion,
not quite,
acceleration,
not quite.
interior. That's inertia.
It's
Nobody can look up inertia?
It's force, it's motion.
the.
Yeah.
You drop your top.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Dope. That's what it is, dope.
I got a cup that says that at home.
You have a cup that says,
Yeah, I do.
I don't know, I told you
I
motion.
need to know what inertia
it up right now.
Spell it right. A tendency to do something.
Okay, it is a tendency to do something or to remain uncharged.
Unchanged.
Or unchanged.
Inertia is an object's
Way to stay on track.
resistance to change. If I need to turn corners really fast in a race, am I gonna jump in the Volkswagen or the semi?
Semi.
Volkswagen.
Because,
Why?
Yeah.
how do you get away from a bull?
Go steps sideways.
You don't run fast, right? Because they can run faster than you.
You just.
You run a little bit, then you turn a corner, because your mass and the bull's
They
mass,
can't corner as good.
you can corner way better than a bull can corner.
against a buffalo. Yeah, buffalo.
Buffalo don't corner
I
as well.
go in the semi and hit
They
the
corner
buffalo.
better than bulls because their mass is
What if you went in the
Like
semi
more
and hit
in
the
their
buffalo?
front legs,
Yeah.
and that's where you stop and turn, is with your
He's
front
gotta
legs.
be more careful.
Yeah. So, Newton's first law is the law of inertia, and it's all about an object's resistance to change in motion. So, if an object is already moving, it wants to keep that same motion, it wants to keep moving. If an object is stopped, it wants to stay stopped. So, the old way, when I learned it,
So
was
when are they
objects
coming
in
in
motion
here?
tend to stay in motion, objects at rest tend to stay at rest, until they are acted upon by an unbalanced force, is the way I learned it.
Hey,
Because, wait a second, I put my hand out, she put her hand out, our hands didn't move, those forces are balanced. And then when I pushed sideways, it was unbalanced, and that's why it caused motion. Unbalanced forces cause motion,
Technically talking about that.
but that's a big deal. Unbalanced forces are the things that cause motion.
That's not
Your
what
butt is
the
pushing
t-shirt
down on the
says.
chair is pushing up on you, no motion. If we add some force to the bottom, you go higher. If we add some force to the top, we break the legs on the chair and we squish it. Right?
Unless the floor is not exactly right.
Newton's
so when are
second-
those kids coming in here?
Soon.
How about
Like
that?
anytime.
I don't like little kids.
She said it would be definitely after 10, and she didn't know for sure when after that.
It's approximately
The
10.
third law is
I know.
force.
So, second law is
Acceleration.
F equals ma.
Yep.
Yeah?
What does Newton's second law mean?
I got it. It's right here. Hold on. It says the relationship between an object's mass and its acceleration and the applied force F is F equals ma. Acceleration, of course, are vector. And in this law, the direction of force vector is the same as the direction of acceleration vector.
So let's go back to this thing.
An object meets it.
Then we go back to the remote. I pushed that way, did it accelerate that way?
Yes,
Yeah?
Yes.
No.
it did.
What'd you push?
If I push less, does it still accelerate that way?
Yeah, it's gonna.
But-
No matter what.
But what changed?
Like, did it go as far? Because he didn't hit as hard.
Smaller force, smaller acceleration. Bigger force.
Bigger.
What if I apply the same force to an object that has a lot more mass?
It's not gonna go as far because it's bigger.
Yeah,
Okay?
the smaller object.
So that's simple algebra, right?
Yeah.
F equals ma, and if you make the F bigger and the M stays the same, the A has to get bigger?
No.
But if the F stays the same and the M gets bigger, then the A
Gets big,
has to
smaller.
get smaller. Yes. And when I do this with freshmen, and I mention algebra, they always get silly. They think it's hard.
I'm getting a giant dog. That's my goal in life.
Have fun paying for food.
If your force gets bigger,
Dream crusher. We feed it chicken. Live
What?
chickens.
your force gets bigger,
And your acceleration gets smaller.
your acceleration has to get smaller.
Bunch of turkeys.
Wait, does this work if that number gets smaller?
No,
No.
What's that number gonna be?
bigger.
It's gonna be a 4. So in this example, the force got bigger, the mass stays the same, which means the acceleration is gonna get bigger. If we leave the force the same, and we make the mass bigger, then our acceleration has to get smaller. That's like super simple, right?
Yep.
Everybody's got that one. Third law. Newton's third law.
I got it.
Force.
For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
The poster in my room in Armour has a boy and a girl on skateboards, pushing on each other. They're both pretty much the same size. Every action causes an equal and opposite reaction. I'm leaning on the demonstrator
It's
lab
not gonna
table.
move because it's like glued to the ground.
But I'm still leaning on it, I'm applying a force in that direction.
Applying more force to these than-
This thing is applying a force on me that way, therefore I'm not moving.
Yeah, so?
If I apply more force, does
No, you're not gonna.
everything move?
You're not gonna do
No, it's bolted down.
that.
I'm not gonna apply that much
Yeah.
force.
Force are expensive.
So,
A lot of it goes this way.
when we look up force on the internet, we probably run across a work formula.
No. Yes, let me look. Wait, don't talk.
Put in force and work.
And calculating the amount of done by forces.
And work equals
The answer.
force times distance,
Oh.
right?
The answer.
So when you apply a force to something like the lab table, and your distance is 0, does it matter how big your force is? How much work gets done? 0. I can sit here and push on this lab table. I can squat down and lean and push hard and work my thighs until my legs give out. And how much work did I do? None, because the distance this thing moved is 0. And it doesn't matter what your force is, you multiply by 0, you get 0. So you can push on a wall all day long, you did 0 work.
Why do you say when you your head against the wall and try to pick up a chair, you can't do it?
That's a force thing too.
Unless you.
It's actually a balance thing.
Drywall, you can do that stuff.
Do that one.
No.
You just don't have enough.
If you put your
Muscle.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, you're like, I gotta pick this chair up.
Go ahead, Lay.
I don't want to.
Demonstrate, right?
Well, set it up, let her try.
Who doesn't want
Can't
to?
help you if you don't wanna know. Newton's laws are easy?
Yeah.
What about speed? How do we calculate speed?
You take that, times stuff, then multiply and divide. Oh.
Speed is a dirty word. DRT, dirt. Distance equals rate times time.
Yeah.
4th grade. Still remember. Speed is a dirty
Yeah,
word.
we're doing that for free.
Yes, I do.
I mean, everything,
Yeah. But if my sister's running it now, but I doubt we did that.
yeah.
Because I'm so old.
I'm so hungry.
I'm gonna go find out if they're on their way, or if we
Tell
should start
me,
something
tell
else.
me you got time for them.
Illinois.
No, that's not gonna happen.
It's like $2,000 to $3,000. Guess who's selling my house for a dog? I am.
I literally went like, what, 12 hours without sleep?
No, you have 2.5. No, it was like 2.5 days. They're so cute.
We got about 5 minutes.
What?
That means that we have enough time to do
Say that.
one of these.
I'll do it. No. I'll do it.
What is this?
This is,
Y'all were just adorable.
This is an opportunity for you to freak out and have a
Let me
child.
see it. What is this?
I'm literally really hungry. I feel like I'm gonna pass out, so we should not think.
This is not something I.
You need to write your name on the top of that.
No.
Top right-hand corner,
How do you write your
like
name?
way high.
How do you write your name?
I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
You are gonna hand that to another person in the classroom,
And they're gonna score.
and they're gonna evaluate your work.
I don't know anybody.
And they're gonna put their name underneath
Yeah,
your
I don't
name.
have mine with me.
We have to do a presentation.
I don't know my name, I don't know anybody.
Yes, you have to show and tell. Basically,
Nancy, I'll take yours.
Okay, are you ready, Jeff?
the top name is the one that did it. Underneath that is the person that evaluated.
I seriously feel like you should.
Really?
I'm like that.
Should you be going out and getting a drink and moving and getting your blood going?
I didn't mean like that.
Wow,
Yeah, that's not gonna help, she's gonna die.
Right on the right side.
You should unplug that.
Hey, you better erase his name for you.
I gotta go to lunch.
I sit so good.
I'm so mean.
What?
I gotta go to lunch.
Here, do I need to give you my stuff?
This is a word.
Well, I think
Oh, okay.
I forgot to look the pictures.
I'm gonna do a little class.
Wait, everyone's mine.
Great.
Yup.
What is
Oh,
that?
I'll take one.
Granola bar.
I want one.
I want one.
Hey, I want it. I want it.
Throw it at.
Yeah.
Throw it at.
You have a job to do. And you have about 4 minutes to get it done.
I'm gonna
Okay,
sneeze.
so let's go.
Thank you.
Hey, yours mine. Maybe I have a
You.
senior.
The scene times are noted, and it's submitted and it's ready to go.
Where do we get them the points?
Was yours was video, right? Did you submit the link in a model? And did you tell me exactly what time I need to go find, so that I can see that?
Thanks.
She does that, then you can give her the 4 points. Remember, these rubrics are all or nothing, so give them the 4 or give them a 0. And if you give them a 0, you have to tell them why. You have to write why.
Because your
Where do we
life sucks.
put it?
That's what I'm gonna put.
I would just roll it over and write it on the same height.
Right, well, yeah. Have respect.
Good question. I
Okay.
need to make a cartoon physics spot, don't I?
I wanna get someone with a
So, hey, 1 through 4, that's what they get?
No, they get a 4. Or a 0.
What's your cartoon?
You get a 4.
This is dumb.
Do a good job or don't.
Okay.
Wait, you can't give them a 3, 2,
Nope.
1?
Nope.
Why?
Because you're either gonna do a good job or you're not.
Okay.
Mr. Schneider. Yeah, what's this V123 stuff?
I think version 1, 2, and 3.
So I'm just gonna
So they didn't
score one of them.
I think what the teacher that made this was thinking is they can do it and they can get a 2 and then they can do another version and get a 3 and then do another version and get a 4. But we're not second grade. We're not gonna do that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
So I've been told I need to go to Edmodo and make a place for you to turn in your links to your video.
Like you're doing something.
Description, violation,
You are good.
Your goals.
state law.
What is yours? You should
If you're not.
learn. Learn not to cheat in our
I'm gonna say that.
Oh, God.
I'm just gonna say, we have, I said, I'm gonna.
Yeah, what? She'll like go on Instagram.
So the first thing on the rubric is submitted your video.
No, what video? Why
I
do
just
we have
made a place
video?
called Cartoon Laws, and it says submit your video links and times here. So be sure to mark what time we need to go to in the video so we can see the thing you're talking about.
Why?
That's written down
Is it?
on my paper.
So
Awesome.
we're supposed to take
So,
pictures of this and submit?
No,
Make video? Submit your
just submit the
video.
video so that we can have one machine connected to the, instead of having all the,
You could have told me
Mess
this
and time
after,
I don't know.
before I.
Mr. Schneider, I didn't know how to do that. Just like copy to a Word document.
Probably.
what video? Was the video on the internet?
Yeah.
Copy the
What's
hyperlink.
14 times something?
Okay.
Submit the hyperlink, and then tell me it's at 2 minutes and 7 seconds or whatever.
No, 4 times
Well,
7.
No, we should get 4 times 8.
Well, maybe, but I need to know exactly where that thing is that you're talking about in your,
I don't know if the
in your assignment. And you had to turn in, what, 3? So you're gonna have 3 different times, or 3 different videos, right?
Yes.
If all 3 of them are in the same video, then you gotta turn in 1 link and 3 times. If they're all in 3 different videos, then you need 3 links and 3 times.
Hold on a
Okay.
minute, this is a lot of work to do.
This
Oh
is,
my.
no, all we gotta do is,
Wait, so is this for like video 1, video 2, video 3?
So you want me
Or
to
like
send?
I said no conflict.
I'll bet it is.
You want me to submit
My
that?
policy
I'll bet it is.
Well, that's what I'm doing, is
Yes.
like 1, 2, 3.
Nice,
No offense, but
good catch. The V's are for videos.
Just submit that, my hyperlink.
it's gonna be like, oh.
Actually, you can just attach a hyperlink.
Wait,
I think-
okay, you're gonna start this
When
after
you
you just me?
When you hit,
I'm a big
when you hit turn in,
You do. He said,
is
yeah.
there a place where you can put a hyperlink?
I
When you turn
I'm
in?
like, okay, have a good day.
I know I can when I create the assignment, but I'm not sure what's there.
I dare you.
I should have deleted those two.
So I don't. Did you did? Crap.
Can I go back and get them?
The V's are for video 1, video 2, and video 3.
You have to have pictures, arrows.
Hey.
And it sounds like they're
He
coming.
said, yep, you too.
Yep, here they come.
Yeah, but I'm gonna present now, so.
You might wanna put your stuff away so it doesn't get messed up with their
Like
stuff,
this,
or just put it in your computer and close
she
your
like
lid.
did everything, so there's nothing I can take from you.
She did a great job.
Yeah,
I still
like,
got them.
I don't care, you don't have to give her a bad grade.
well, like you actually look after like,
Honest evaluation.
yeah.
If she did great, she did great. If she did terrible, she did terrible.
Or something.
Now, these guys are in 6 different groups, and there are 10 of you. So you need to get into 6 different groups.
I don't like fruit, so.
And you're probably gonna wanna spread around the room, because it's gonna get loud with 6 different people talking.
I don't see your link.
Did you refresh?
Yes. Anytime now. I did not,
Can you just click and submit a link? When you click, turn in?
I don't have my keys,
Yeah. There's a hyperlink button, keep same link.
I'm gonna see.
When you hit submit,
I'm gonna see.
don't worry about submitting, do that after. We gotta take care of these guys right now.
I'm submitting.
So just stop, close your lids, spread yourself out into 6 different groups, all over the place.
Cassie,
Still have not.
Hurry up.
okay, there it is, it's submitted. I'm
6
gonna
different
do-
groups. I mean,
6
okay.
groups.
You can only be, come on, Nick.
Oh, all right. I'm going to be my.
There's gonna be a couple groups in 2 of them. Probably about 4.
Land in my ear, person or my running for it. What are you doing?
I see 1, 2, 3 groups. I still
There
see 3
can't even
groups.
be 6 groups.
How
It's
many
not
groups?
physically possible.
5 groups.
There could be a group of one.
One of you stay put. You're group 6.
Okay,
You with me.
physics class, I don't know if, did you tell them anything?
We talked about Newton's laws just a little bit.
Okay, we are just starting to talk about Newton's laws. And so before we did, we kind of took some words that are included in Newton's laws. And I know these are words that you as physics students have already talked about. So we're just learning about them. And so what they are doing, they have groups of 3, teams of 3 with 6 different force terms or motion terms, okay? And what I ask of you is they have been instructed to give a definition, to give pictures, real life pictures of that definition, and then they're also going to need to demonstrate what that term means. Then afterwards, they're going to make posters. They haven't made posters, they're just in the working. We need you to kind of proofread and make sure that they're on the same page, right? That they're describing that word as best as they can. So my question for you, or my favorite from you, is give them some constructive criticism. Give them some ideas. Are they on the right track? And can they improve it? Okay, so we have, first we have the speed group, and I'm gonna put that group over there. Speed,
You guys need to make sure that they are complete with their definitions. Make sure they
okay.
don't have part
Then
of it.
we have, what are you? What are you guys? Velocity, right there. Then we have acceleration. What's the next one? Acceleration. Then we have friction. Over by Laddie. Then we have what? Force. Over there. I'm missing a group.
Inertia.
We've got one more group. Are you a group, Demi? Which team doesn't have a person?
Oh, I think they all do.
1, 2. You want to take one? What is it? It's inertia.
Oh, yeah, sure, come here.
All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can handle it.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and talk, because then I'd like you to switch to another group.
How much time you want to give them?
F equals, wait a minute.
No, not show. I'm just going to tell you what it is.
Acceleration is like, just about. It's like sweet. Okay, that was
More involved.
They got it fun.
So that was like,
Did you need the crowd?
all the calls.
What I said.
You got 4 from something. You don't need that every day. You don't need a demonstration.
Hold on.
Mr. Snyder, you got a phone call.
These guys did good.
No, his name is,
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, okay. So Mike, let's back up. Okay, if I just push a little bit on. I'm keeping the math the same, so it means 50. Now, if I push her, what happens?
You're gonna just leave your best friend in school alone?
She moved because
Oh. Did you ask me those things?
now.
Where are you going now? McDonald's? As a PE? How do you demonstrate?
Same amount.
Go to Winter, get me some. You know what I want, right?
But if I push her same amount, it went further.
Hi, text me.
I'm thinking we should just speed on Google and find everything, put in everything.
Right? So the acceleration.
Okay.
What images?
What?
Yeah,
Force is, or if the mass is.
Okay, are you guys allowed to take pictures?
So that's what sports cards, you want sports cards, you can.
Yeah, make sure your sports cards.
So you can go to these video YouTube.
Back to back.
You guys have done football all the time.
And if I push that sports card,
Pull your feet way up by your butt.
where's it
You
gonna
know
go?
what car
It's
part
gonna
is?
go in there.
I know what it is, but I just don't know.
That's
I think God is just.
Is that valid for you?
Yeah.
If they could stay straight. That's valid for you. You guys, that only works because their feet in the floor half. And it has to be the same amount.
and just unbolted.
Yeah, let's see how fast
What
it
if
goes.
one's heavier than the other? One working on one side, the other?
It's gonna be harder right now. Because the other person will
No,
like
they're
it.
cheating.
We don't know how to.
They're cheating. Get their feet underneath them.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sixth graders. If you are in that team, I want you to go over here. Switch teams.
There, that's not our team.
Go here. Oh, no. Let's go.
Dude, that goes on YouTube. It goes on
Go
YouTube.
to Aurora.
We go there.
And then you go
I'm just gonna say,
there.
I'm gonna say hi YouTube.
And then we have one more group.
Hi YouTube.
That's you. Oh, you come over here. We have everybody? No. You come over to Tiffany.
You guys.
Yeah, Jasmine's group, come to Tiffany.
Let's go.
So Tiffany, you come over here.
Give me your ID.
I don't know, wait, you're mine.
Well, we had it so
See if they can explain it without words.
You have like,
Okay.
that's like,
You mean like a project? What should we do for like show it?
like right now, what I'm doing right now.
What are those people?
See ya.
Okay, we see it. Okay, good.
You got it.
Because it's not, and it's not big.
But when I looked on my mirror, it said WWW. Can I combine the two and have what would happen if you did
There you go, that's even better.
what would happen?
That's definitely.
Pretty good.
Alright, they did have a pretty good example. Mr. Schneider, do you still have all the marbles?
No, I haven't even picked up.
Like all the marbles and like the boards and stuff like that?
Those were.
I have the kids in my pickup. Yeah, I gotta take them home. There's a big one. I'm trying. So how? I'm just got a picture and tell me how force it is.
Desktop tomorrow about it and it's harder than
Okay, what about this picture?
Okay, so you all three.
So you wanna walk around the block?
We don't.
Shoot it up. The top.
Yeah!
Top, and then what? And then go after
Put your face on, make it easy.
Because that has more people. 10 minutes is a lot.
Oh, I got it. No, I think that's
Okay,
that's broken.
looks like we're ready to go. One more time. Okay, this time I think what I want you to do is I want you to rotate. So this group come here, yep, and then go there. You were just there.
You guys go to Tiffany?
Go to someplace, yes, go someplace that you haven't been. All right. I don't know. Go over there.
Go up front, nice. I think they beat us to it.
Okay, one more time. No, this right here. Yummy is the first one. You got it.
Okay, mine is the guy down there. Okay, so the more you get around, it's the top minute. Just do this. I was like that. Wait, no, he's not. starting, starting the light. What's your YouTube name?
Yeah.
I don't like that. Hi. I like that video. What? Done.
It looks like a roller coaster to me.
And then look at cities, we all have the exact same idea.
I want a roller coaster. That's a good idea. That might be something you want to have.
Like the force going up, and then when it goes down that big hill, and yeah, and it's more force going down.
There's no
We're done.
So do you guys have a
And you know the formula for calculating
Distance divided by time.
I think I'm gonna bring,
equals what?
I think I'm gonna bring like cars and put them on top of the rim, and let's go down the hill. No, but I have you know, like, put it,
That would work.
lower it.
My fourth grade teacher told me that it's a third order.
Well, you have to have, we're supposed to, I'm gonna bring 3 different types of cars. Bring like a big block of pickup, and then a small
Edison, you go against
car.
computer.
Yep. And then like a,
Bye.
That side.
yeah.
You guys want to go back and continue?
Oh, they should actually go to the website and do like that full barrel and
I do not want to be on YouTube.
Guess that's how it works. Here's another baby. We're off to the races. Can I go to the bathroom? Hey, can I go to lunch now?
Some.
And we'll talk about you in that.
No, I think, thank you very much, you guys. I appreciate that. They appreciate it.
Time out. Hang on. Give me a second.
Really quick.
Chill, no. Hang on. You guys did a really good job. The big deal with a thing like that is questioning and making them say it.
I don't know how to say
That one group. Hey, we did good.
questions.
No, now hang on a second. That's the thing that everybody says. I don't know what questions to ask them.
I can ask like formula and stuff to confuse them, but I
Right.
don't want to.
Right. And don't try to confuse them. Okay?
I know,
This way.
Landon's like, should I try to confuse them? I'm like, no. I knew everything except for velocity. I don't know what that
Almost everything I heard out of you guys was good. Okay?
is. Sweet.
But that skill of being able to question and elicit information from other people is super important.
Jeff, we did it. Good job.
Most of you did that. You need to practice that at
I'm
every
really good
opportunity.
at asking questions.
I know, we get it. Move on.
All right, go.
Can I go to lunch? I'm sorry.
I can go.
When's the ball?
These aren't even hooked up. Those aren't even hooked up.
I can't wait for today.
I'm dying.
You have 10 minutes to finish your evaluations of each other.
Already good.
I did Ronnie already.
Did you get feedback that says, oh, I better change that?
Ronnie was supposed to do mine.
I got feedback.
Oh,
That you left, so you need somebody to
Where
evaluate
did
it?
Ronnie
Jeff?
go?
Yeah, where did Ron go?
Make it happen.
Where did Ronnie go?
Oh, no.
Where did Ronnie go?
The bell rings at 11 after. Ronnie
No,
went
she
home.
didn't go home.
Or
I don't know what they
She
did.
went, she
Her
left
parents
the entire
took her.
day. She got out of school for some reason.
Mom came and got her.
Somebody's.
That's all I know.
Long day.
Maybe her sister died.
No, her sister did not die.
Next. Your assignment needs to be turned in at the beginning of class.
No. Don't.
You're holding it.
What assignment?
Look, a track.
Don't.
The one that you were supposed to have done at quarter after today.
We already
I
did
know,
it.
but it would have.
But I'm not taking them. Because somebody else looked at it
Yeah.
and you got feedback.
Yeah.
And now you need to modify a little bit before I grade it.
Technically, it should have shocked me if I'm saying, yeah.
And you remember it's 10 quarters, so you're getting graded harder?
Landon's doing all
You're being asked to do better?
No, tell him not to put that
No.
down.
Come on.
I do that to somebody I
He
hate.
was gonna shock me.
Like
This is science. It
No.
travel through the chain.
My hair
And
was
I
like
have rubber boots on, so it wouldn't get me.
It
That's a
would.
perfect.
It would.
I have rubber boots on.
They're not completely rubber.
Get around.
I
They're
did that once.
rubber-ish.
I had a completely rubber boots on, so shocking.
They're rubber-ish, yes.
You know what? Me too.
And rubber is a
that
partial
one.
insulator, not a complete
Well, it
insulator.
should be. Well,
Please
anyways.
don't do it.
Well, that'd be a really good teaching lesson, so we should do that sometime.
Let's do it to the, let's do it to the middle schoolers and 6th graders and see
Like,
We have like
what
these,
they
Yeah.
guys.
It wouldn't shock you that bad, would
What's
it?
the best one is air.
We should get one of the power supplies out of the cupboards, because there's probably a power supply over there.
We should.
Where you could like do 9 volts and not actually hurt anybody, but you'd feel it.
That wouldn't hurt somebody.
Yes, it would.
No, it wouldn't. It's just like a fencer.
Yeah, fences are bad.
Oh.
Is that, are they?
That is way more than a
Are you
fence.
serious?
Yeah,
What do you think it is?
Going to the store.
110 volts.
God. That wouldn't do much, I'd just make you jump. That wouldn't stop your heart. I mean,
Yeah,
it would?
it can.
What?
It doesn't always, but it can.
What?
Take the risk.
Landon, we are
Stick
not
the
taking
paper
the
clip in the
risk.
light socket, it can kill you.
Are you retarded?
Nail that.
Well, it's
Oh my
connected to
God.
Brady, so it'd be
Hey,
funny.
this is science class. You might as well do it. Try it out.
Connected to you, you just get the.
Tell
And
me,
the whole
guys,
Brady hit Brady too.
Hey, when
He's
I
a
was like
retard.
3,
Sticking
I
his
put
foot
a
down.
metal thing in an outlet and it was
And
fun.
like-
Are you dumb? That would
Like
definitely
went down
shock
my
her
leg
and
and
it'd be
back
really
up,
fun.
it was cool.
She don't have it on.
I've gotten electrocuted by a space heater when I was
It would
like
shock
8
both of
months
you
old.
since she's holding
I know.
it.
That when I was like
Stop pulling
3.
it.
They involve a lot of
Multiple electric defenses because
How
my
many do you got,
grandpa.
Brady?
And my
Gotta
dad's
be
an electrician,
less.
so I've been like outlets and everything
Yeah.
my whole
For
life.
like Miss Purpose.
I'm used to electric
That's
force.
why your hair's curly.
I know, we never have Sundays in her class.
No, it's bullshit. Bull crap.
No, so you're probably.
Actually, my hair used to be worse than this when I was young.
I was hoping everyone would keep talking.
I remember when you had like an afro.
Yeah, I remember that, Brittany.
My hair was worse. Like the more I get electrocuted, the better it gets.
Cause like, it was shorter.
So Brittany, come here and hold on to this. Brittany, how'd that happen?
I don't know what happened.
Ah,
Stop
it went under the
doing
chair,
that.
look. It went under that one. See,
Because
look.
if it's under, because it's not on the ground.
Isn't that cool?
How is it cool? It's just not on the ground.
This is entertaining. I like it.
Well, from my point of view, that's cool.
I'm like looking out the
Stop
window.
crushing my dreams.
I'm taller than
You know, not like that.
That is so sad.
We
I have
should
like
leave
an
this
extra
up.
4 foot and I'm still like 4 foot.
Yeah.
You put Bree up there and I might have her.
Bree, come stand on the desk.
Yeah, come stand on the
Why?
desk.
What?
We're gonna see if he's taller than you still.
More likely he's.
Yeah, but look how much like different. It's not that much different.
I'm Mr. B. When she's looking up, it might actually look the same.
Jimmy.
The weather's nicer.
Graduate and be done.
I mean, it's all.
You still have 3 things on it?
No. Why?
Is that yours?
I guess.
Came out and left
What did Lottie do?
ground coffee in there?
How did you get it out? Lottie just pulled it out.
I just grabbed it and pulled it out. It's the ground. It should shock you.
That's what I was gonna do. Maybe I'll just
But you don't know if in the back those wires are frayed and touching each other and there might be something. You never know.
Well, if I get electrocuted, I'll just tell my dad that it was his fault.
I'm going to Africa.
I was gonna go to Africa.
Feed the homeless.
The weather is
My
nice.
grandparents came back from Africa.
Look, I can barely touch the look. I have to like.
I'm going to
What's up there, Brittany?
How come I can use that? Come my shoulders clear down here.
Because you have longer arms.
USD would probably.
We're not retarded.
There's always a science reason.
Nothing, it's black.
Well, what if someone comes and jumps down like a raccoon? Or a squirrel? A squirrel would walk on those, rather.
That would be hilarious.
It would. And then have on video.
Little raccoon hand reach out and grab a finger.
I would have a freaking heart
heart attack. I would like fall off the desk and break my
You
arm.
know how funny that'd be?
I would break my arm.
It'd be a total
No.
cartoon in your heart when you way out to eat.
And we'd have on video.
Oh my god. What though? I have to move over here.
Do it.
You both
I hope something's up there.
You get like 140. I like can't reach the like. I'm scared if I do this one, the light's gonna fall down.
No, it shouldn't. I mean, no.
Next desk.
That's brilliant plan.
Now move it over to the side.
What are they doing?
I'm too short.
Bad plan.
Let me get
Bad plan.
Oh, there's wires. Oh no.
I thought that was a spider. I thought that was a spider thing, and I almost.
That's how these things are up. They're all suspended by wire.
Yeah.
No,
So
The
like,
ceiling is
So when like
here and there.
something.
Like right there.
It's like a heat gun.
It is. But it doesn't work.
It's all shiny.
I'm scared I would stand
So
on
like
this
when the
part.
building gets an earthquake, it'll
Balance.
snap.
Center of mass. Center of mass.
I could reach the
Make
door with
hold
this.
the desk down. I'm too short for this.
More science, and then quiz.
Those things are not strong enough.
What if I like one leg on especially not because like I know that like I put my backpack on it and like it hurts when I walk away.
All of the support is right here.
So it's like right here.
No.
Now like closer. Like
It's just this one little arm. No.
That's not stronger. So
this is bad.
like in acceleration, the bands.
I would do it. I would actually do it.
I'm on video saying no.
Cheer team! I'm the base. Wait, I know what I could do. Hold on. Wait, I can't do that side. There we go. Okay, okay.
Hope she falls.
This is me saying no.
Brittany, I hope you fall.
Don't be wrecking
I
stuff.
hope you fall. Okay?
Oh, I am a lot taller up here.
Yes, you are. That means you're a lot faller when you fall.
Taller?
Fart.
Taller?
Yes.
You're gonna break something.
We had a kid in my class named Fall.
Really?
Oh, there's a thing. Oh, it's a pipe. That's nice.
Landon!
3.
There's a pipe and some heat. That's it. Yeah, I know, that's fine. What is the little red thing on that?
Hey Bree, guess what?
That's the thing that if you break it, the water comes out of there, the alarm goes off, the firemen come, charge you
Well, like,
$500.
how do you break it? It's like, how
What?
does it sense if there's a fire? Because it doesn't break when you...
If you're in a college dorm and you're having a basketball camp and you have goofy little monkeys that are like 11 years old, they're gonna throw basketballs around.
Yeah, I know, but like, when there's a
Break out.
fire, that's not
And
break.
then-
What, when these break?
And then everybody at basketball camp
Like
is
those
standing
red
out in
things in
the
them?
yard.
Oh yeah.
But like, when there's a fire, those don't break, so how does it tell? So if I like put some flame under
So
it?
much heat up there and
Here, I got my lighter. Here, grab it. Here, you want my lighter? Here,
Yeah. Pam walks up here all the time, it's safe.
That's what she cleans.
getting down is maybe the issue.
I got
Getting
you,
down
Brittany.
face first, that's probably gonna be
Yeah,
bad.
Landon, you almost tried to kill me by running my pickup in front of a semi. No.
Okay. I mean, if you
Cheer
have,
team!
if you have some brakes.
That'll work. F equals MA, right? Force, mass.
Yeah, holding her
Gravity.
arms like this.
Laying on a paperclip. What?
This is a good idea. From somebody that says we're not stupid a minute ago.
I said that.
Yeah, technically she said we were stupid.
Okay.
I will own up to it when I fall down. Don't break that. That was like 3 inches away from breaking.
How about you
that.
just don't fall down?
I don't want to be wet.
Not even close.
Yeah, but the last time we were, it was like really close.
Letterman won't even know.
Letterman's
Letterman's too blind to notice. It's like unraveling.
He almost hit me in the face.
No!
Okay, I'm really scared now.
There you go. Now sit.
Look, food, let's go. Did you use your coat? Yeah, when we're going to the locker room.